Can tampons be flushed down the toilet?
Hello there. We're here today to talk about a common query that's been the source of much debate. Can tampons be flushed down the toilet?
What happens when you flush a tampon?
When you flush a tampon down the toilet, it heads into your plumbing system. Unlike toilet paper, tampons are not designed to break down and disintegrate in water. They're actually made to do the opposite, absorb liquid and expand. So, when a tampon is flushed, it can cause a blockage in your pipes, leading to some serious plumbing issues.
Why is it bad to flush tampons?
Flushing tampons can lead to expensive repairs. They can get stuck in the U-bend of the toilet, cause blockages further down the pipe system, or even cause problems in your local sewer system. These issues can result in backed up sewage, foul smells, and potentially costly plumbing bills. It's also harmful to the environment. Wastewater treatment plants aren't designed to filter out tampons, so they can end up in rivers and seas, contributing to pollution.
What should you do with used tampons instead?
It's simple. Rather than flushing them, dispose of tampons in a bin. Wrap them in toilet paper or place them in a sanitary disposal bag and put them in your household waste. This method not only saves your plumbing but also helps protect our environment. So, the answer to the question, can tampons be flushed down the toilet, is technically yes, they can be, but they absolutely shouldn't be. It's important to remember that just because something can be flushed, doesn't mean it should be flushed. We hope this video has been eye-opening and informative. Remember, when in doubt, just throw it out.